Right, now we're ready to get started with our appetizer, which is a fusion salad, and it's not an ordinary fusion salad, it's a blanched garlic salad. So very quickly, I've got some boiling water here, and I've got these lovely cloves of garlic. Take about 12 of them, and just pop them right in, like so. And that's it, that's all you have to do. Just gonna let that garlic cook. When it becomes translucent, I know it's lost that, that rawness, the pungency, and will be perfect to use in the salad. Now, the other parts of my salad, which are based around these lovely vegetables like aubergine and some fruit like pears and apples, I'm gonna work on that. So very quickly, some olive oil in a pan, about 3 tablespoons. And pop the aubergine in. Now, I've sliced the aubergine up into sort of slightly bite-sized slices, so it's very easy to eat, and of course it'll look delicate in the salad. So 4 aubergines, and just wait for them to start sizzling before you add in all the spices. Once the pan starts sizzling, very simply, a large pinch of salt onto your aubergines like so, a large pinch of red chili flakes, 1 pinch of coriander powder, and 1 large pinch of cumin. Just mix them up. And of course, remember that aubergine is quite like a sponge. It takes in the olive oil immediately, so you have to keep lubricating it as you go along. So another tablespoon of olive oil. Mix it up so the spices don't burn. And as soon as you start smelling the red chili, which will be quite a sharp sort of aroma that hits you, you add in the juice of half a lemon. Okay. Once the oil's dried up and your spices are, looking golden brown, just add in a 1/4 cup of water, but very slowly, half a cup or 1/4 cup every time. So basically an 1/8 cup of water. Mix it up and let it steam beautifully. At this point, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of sugar and an 1/8 cup of water. And mix it up. What I'm doing in the frying process here is I'm actually creating the vinaigrette of my salad as well, where I'm going to use all the stock that's coming out of the aubergines and the pear when I get around to using it. Next step, I'm going to add in the juice of another half lemon, so 1 lemon in total. And at this point, my aubergine has started, looking like it's cooked. It's softening, it's wilting, so I know I'm almost done. Very quickly now, I'm going to add in about half a pear that I've just chopped up. Again, it's the same pear that I had with dessert, just the leftover pieces of that. Now, I'm not going to cook this too much. I just want it for its sweetness and the crunch. Just a couple of stirs through. Now, since the water is drying very quickly, we put in the remainder of what we have into the pan. Bring it to a quick boil. I'm going to season this a little bit more with some balsamic vinegar, about 3 tablespoons worth, and another large pinch of salt. So this is almost done. You must also remember that you want to retain the color of, that beautiful purple of the aubergine. You don't want to lose it, so don't cook it that thoroughly that the aubergine secretes its color out as well. That looks quite beautiful. Our pear has warmed through, the aubergine is done. Let's turn the heat off on this. And at this point, let's check on the garlic. Right, so the water is reduced down and the garlic is perfectly blanched now. Let's just turn the heat off. As you can see, it's completely changed color and it's become soft. It's almost like a glorious little sponge. So I'm just going to drain this down. And then I'm going to add it into my pan, like so. Mix this up. Not too much, and be careful not to mush the garlic because it's quite soft, and if you hit it too hard with your spoon, it will come apart, so just be a little gentle. And there we have it. Now all we have to do is put our salad together. Okay, now all we have to do for our salad is get together all the things we're going to construct it with. And I'm going to start off with some fantastic spring onions, which I'm going to roughly chop up. So very quickly, couple of spring onions, thick slices all the way through. Some little green color coming through, nice little contrast there, and a freshness to your salad. Okay, pop that to the side of your board. Next, I'm going to use some of that apple that we had left over and just get some lovely thin slices, keeping the red peel again for contrast. And of course, in texture, this will be really fresh and the sweetness of the apple will come through. Yeah. Lovely. Next, I have some fantastic little radish here, and I'm going to slice them up, keeping their skin on as well to get that glorious little pink and white sort of assembly happening. And of course, all these different flavors, all these different textures, the sweetness, the bitterness, it's all coming together, a perfect fusion salad. Next, I've got some glorious little parsley here, and I'm just going to take a handful, so about 2 tablespoons, and I'm just going to roughly chop it, not too fine, like so. Then I have some fantastic hunter's beef here, and of course you can get this from your bakery. It's great and it's perfect in salads, and of course it's very, very healthy to use. So I'm just going to, use about, let's say about 4.5 tablespoons or a quarter packet of this hunter's beef, which I'm just going to rip up, keep on my board. So then I've got my hunter's beef. I'm going to follow that up with some lovely sweet corn, again from a tin. I'm going to put in about 4 tablespoons of that. Then some lovely pomegranate. Again, it's in season and it's a fantastic fruit. So some of this. Then of course, I'm just going to layer it all up and drizzle a little olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, a little black pepper maybe, and the squeeze of a lemon. And that's it. Now all we have to do is plate all of this up. Right, we are ready to eat, and I am joined by the gorgeous Rabia Chaudhary, who has deigned to join us for dinner today. Why, thank you for coming.
Thank you for inviting me.
Oh, you're so welcome. Now, let's start off with the fusion salad.
Okay.
Okay. This is, well, today I thought, let me use garlic as my sort of inspiration, and I made a blanched garlic salad. Sorry, I'm dropping things everywhere. Yeah, wait. God, she's so demanding already. Okay, now this has been made with a number of different things in there. Trust me, you want that big chunk of garlic. You do. She's speechless now, and now we're just getting the
I have this really annoying habit. When I eat, if I like it, I keep like,
But don't you think that salads are something that we should eat a lot more? Because they're healthier, and I mean, my God.
Absolutely. You know what I do though? Every day I eat like salad leaves.
And now, which bit of the chicken do you like? The leg or the breast? Oh, girl after my own heart. Hang on. Okay, wait. You have to have some of this stuff with it, which is, it's like a sweet potato. Okay, this chicken has been made with grapes. It's got grapes in it. It's got this side mix of sweet potato. It's got red cabbage. And now you have to give it a go and then tell me what you think.
It's really good.
Different way to eat your vegetables.
Very nice, man.
That's it. It's just going to be mms and ahs. There we go. What do you think of the flavors?
It actually reminded me of turkey somehow.
Really?
I don't know why.
A nice
Maybe
little
I miss turkey.
Oh my, turkey. I'm channeling turkey today.
But no, lovely chicken. The stuffing's really good too. I don't know much about food.
But you like eating it?
I like eating it.
Yeah, and what would you say?
If I like it, I like it. If I don't like it, I'll just be like, there's something off about it, but I don't know what.
All right, but now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to move you on, and we'll come back to this in a minute, but we are going to try out the dessert, because I'm dying for you to try it out. No, it is. It's a crumble, sort of. Oh, you're useless. Let me make you a...
It looks, it's really good.
Wait. Try this bit. Solid.
Wow.
Yo, brilliant.
Thank you so much.
You're so welcome. But Abhay, thank you so much for joining me and coming and eating all the food and making all the best noises about it in the whole wide world. Thank you. And thank you guys for joining us. Remember, if you want to see me fuse something or have any comments, write in on fusion@dawnnews.tv. From Rabi and myself and our lovely setting, take care and see you next time.
Bye. Oh, my key.
Oh. Well, eat up. You can have more now.